All right, what I'm going to do here is cook the bacon in here with my rotary welding turntable. I had to make this plate and this little sideboard, little ring deal. I had to weld this on here already, so the grease stays contained in there. I'm calling this welding bacon with the turntable, or with welding bacon with the welder, but it's using the heat transfer, because I'm just going to run my turntable. It's going to spin around, and I'm going to weld out here on top of the weld that's already there. The heat's going to transfer into here, and it's going to cook. I got 2 pieces of bacon. I'm going to set it in there. It's going to cook that bacon. It's been cooling off a little bit. It's let's see what the temperature of it is. It's 75. There it is, 75 degrees. So I'm gonna put 2 pieces on here. I've been wanting to redo this video. I did this about 9 years ago, like 2015. I'm gonna get rid of this bacon back in the fridge. This is a good place to edit the video. Keep that cool. I might need it some more. I did this, I think it was back in about 2015. It was a not real good video. A friend recorded it with his phone, so technically it's his video. But I've kind of always been wanting to redo that video and redo this. Now videos on phones, they're a lot better quality of stuff. But so all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna weld out here on top of the weld that's already there. You can see that weld that's already there. And the heat's going to transfer here into here. It's going to cook that bacon. Then I'm going to grab my tongs and I'm going to eat it. All right. I'm not sure how many passes it'll take around here, but I got my temp gun. It can check temperature of the bacon, the temperature of that plate. And then when it's cooked, I'm going to eat it. Here we go. I can see smoke coming up above the ring, and I'm guessing that's some bacon smoke. It's already warm enough for that bacon to start smoking. It should smell good in here in a little bit. I'm using 16 filler. Just laying it on top of this previous tube that's on here. I'm going to put weld that's already there. So when I run out of rod, I'm going to have to grab a new piece. That's also when I'll take a piece inside and see how the cooking is going. I can see lots of smoke. Now underneath my hood right now, I see the smoke, but I can also start to smell the bacon. I'm sure it'll take a couple rounds around this thing to get enough heat in there to cook the bacon so I can eat it. The TIG torch, it's just a heat source, transferring heat onto that plate, and cooking that bacon. I can feel in my hand I'm about out of rod. So when it's used up, I'll lift my hood off. I'll look at the cooking surface and I'll keep welding because I know it's not done yet. So time to look. Oh, I can hear it sizzling. I can see it bubbling. More welding. Let's go. Needs more heat. Not really more heat from the torch, but it needs to get hotter from doing this. So it looks like I just passed my start stop. I'm on the second round of going around this. I've got a little clip-on mic, clipped onto my shirt, kind of on my chest. I hope the audio is working out okay. I had to get a little mic because the water cooler makes a lot of noise, and it made a loud background noise, and that made some terrible audio. So I hope this sounds okay. I had to cut this plate out so I could bolt it down to my rotary turntable plate, then make a round ring to weld on, so all the grease is contained inside. Working on my second piece of rod here. I don't know how many amps I'm running with here. I can't see it. I turned the machine up to where I knew it was plenty of amps to do this, and so where it's running right now, I don't know where it's at. I'm probably half settled. Maybe I can get the bacon cooked a little extra done. I like kind of crispy bacon. And hopefully at the same time the audio is turning out good and the video. I can feel now through my hand I'm about done with this second piece of rod. So again, I'll stop and look at the cooking surface and see how it looks. And I got to stop. Oh yeah. Let me flip it over here. It's the proper thing to do. Turn it over. Yeah, look at that. Woo-wee. Turn that over and grab another piece. Let's go. More cooking. This is the third piece of rod. I just turned the bacon over. This is about the third pass around this ring. I think I have some bacon grease splatter on the outside of my ring here. So I'm also welding through some bacon grease. I can see some grease splattered on the plate. Makes it kind of ugly to weld. And some grease to escape out the top in that one little spot there. See my plate is starting to warp. I've only got 3 bolts holding this thing down. I didn't want to get too carried away with it. Just something simple. Looks like I should have bolted it down a few more places, but it'll be fine. So what I'm doing, just messing around, just having some fun, just goofing off. Nothing serious here. Like I said, I did this 9 years ago. I just want to recreate it and try it again with some better video, better audio. Got rid of that more quick right here. Out of the rod, I can feel it in the back of my glove here. Not a rod. Oh, that looks like it's about done and ready to eat. Look at that. Let's see what the temperature is. The surface there is 374 degrees. That piece of bacon is 244. It's 300 over there. 247. It sure smells good in here. Man, this looks really good. Might be about time to eat. Get this rascal out of here. It's hot. I want to eat it right off of that. Put it on this plate for a second. I'll get a bite of this. Let me tip my camera up a little bit. Woo! Fresh cooked bacon right off the welder cooking grill. Hell yeah. This is really for no reason. I just want to do it for fun. Fart around. Eat some bacon. It's hot. You get a bite of that. Made kind of a mess, but I'll just throw this in the trash. This cooking plate. It was just for the purpose of the video. That's all. Yep. Success. So that's probably a good place to stop the video. Man, I had fun. See you later.